You are signed into your workspace and are ready to create a new event. Let me show you how. We'll begin in the Events dashboard. To create a new event, select the purple plus New Event button in the left corner. The event name and event leader are required fields, but you can also assign the team, update the status, enter the start and end dates, and even select the event format. To add additional information, select the newly created event and select the Info tab. The Basics subtab is where you can add information such as the description, type, and role of the event. The Floor Plan subtab includes the booth number, dimensions, and floor plan. The CRM subtab will direct you to where you can connect your events to a current CRM campaign. The Teams subtab can be used to view the current team the event is connected with. You can also transfer to a different team here. Under Manage Fields, you'll be redirected to the Event Configurations page where you can create your own custom fields. Circa has many of the basic fields built in, but when you need more than just the basics or your company requires specific information to be listed, that is where our custom fields are helpful. Thanks for watching, and check out the Quick Start guides in our support center to learn even more.